Wednesday. Not our typical night, but that's because we have been invited to collaborate with 6 other YouTubers.
Yay!
They're all right up and down either side of us here. And after you're done watching our video on this topic, make sure you check theirs out and see what their reason was. Welcome to Wednesday night with To Be Determined.
Why not Wednesday?
Why not Wednesday instead of YouTube Tuesday? Although hopefully you watched last night's as well.
Yeah, please.
Anyway, why not Wednesday? Well, because someone invited us to do a collab with them.
Yay!
Woo, woo, woo.
First collab.
First collab with these 6 other YouTubers, and we are talking about why
we chose the RV we chose.
There's Winston. All right, so ours. Why Winston? I mean, why not? Look at him. He's gorgeous, first off.
Yes. So initially, we were going to Lazy Days when we decided to do this life, and we were looking at fifth wheels, toy haulers, all that. We eventually migrated into the Class A's, and we eventually, I would say, number 2, we eventually settled on the Tiffin motorhome.
Tiffins.
We love the way the Tiffins look. That was important to us, and the reliability of a Tiffin, we like that as well. And one thing that I wanted 40 feet or under. I did want a diesel motor, and this thing has the Freightliner chassis, has a Cummins engine in it, and Allison transmission. A hard combination to beat, so pretty reliable.
Yeah, and this model particularly had the pass-through bays, 2 of them.
Yeah, 2 pass-through bays, plenty of storage underneath.
Yep.
Obviously, when you're traveling and this is all you have, you need to be able to take what you want to take.
Take as much as you can.
As much as we can, or as much as we need.
Sure.
And we have plenty of room, so we don't really skimp on anything, I don't think, taking it.
Yeah. It's a great floor plan. This is the 37 PA. We had settled down to 2 different Tiffins we would have taken if we found a 37 BA or a 37 PA, and Winston happened to appear in Arizona for us to buy.
So when I decided to retire, we decided for us to retire, we hit the button and we were full out, been looking for really a year or 2, but then we were definitely trying to find something then because we were wanting to get this life started. And we were looking like crazy, but COVID happened.
Yeah.
And everybody bought up stuff on the lots, as y'all know that. I mean, everything was missing, and then the prices went through the roof on everything.
Right.
So you would think in Florida we'd be able to find a Tiffin Allegro Red 37 PA or BA in Florida, of all places, but we couldn't.
No.
And the ones that were too high priced. They were out of our budget.
Right. So thank goodness for forums.
Yeah.
We found someone selling theirs out in Arizona.
And that was by chance.
Yeah, it was.
She was asking about another RV, and in turn somebody said, hey, we may sell ours.
Right.
And that's when the conversation started. It never hit the market.
Right. No, and I said to her, I said, hey, if you decide to sell that thing, let us know. And a week or so later, she did. So we sent out an inspector. Our son was there. He went over and did a FaceTime with us, met the people, and Winston became ours.
Yes.
And so then we had to drive him home 2,100 and some odd miles. That was a learning experience for sure. Anyway, we're getting off the subject. So the floor plan inside, it's 1 bedroom.
Well, the floor plan on the inside. Now, back to Lazy Days. We were going to Lazy Days looking at all the different things that we liked and where cabinets were and TVs and drawers and how much space was needed. The layout was important, obviously, because that's where a lot of people find something later on. So we were trying to eliminate and find the first one that we or find the one that we wanted the first time.
Right.
And we did settle on 37 PA in the BA in the Allegro Red because we knew that had what we wanted.
Right. Either of those floor plans would have worked out. So this is the
size.
PA. Mm-hmm. Right. This PA has some of the floor plan things that I really love is the dual vanity in the bathroom. So we each have our own sink. We each have our own medicine cabinet size. I love that we have a king-size bed in the bedroom. And I love that we have a washer and dryer on board. We don't mind going to laundromats, but we don't have to. We have full hookups.
Yes.
We can do laundry. So those are some of my big deals in floor plan that I love. And I do like the full-on fridge.
And the walk-through bathroom.
Yeah, and a bathroom. So you can access our bathroom without going through the bedroom. So if we have company over for game night or drinks, they don't have to go through our bedroom to get to the bathroom.
Correct.
Or if he's out in the living room with, all the NASCAR friends and I'm in the bedroom with a shower. We like that you can access the bathroom without going through the bedroom.
Correct. And I would think from the inside standpoint too, the way it's kind of laid out with furniture and everything, it's pretty nice. TVs for me is important, not for her so much. It was important, but plenty of cabinet space and counter space.
Plenty of space. And then once we changed out that L couch that was in there to our residential couch, our regular couch, I love it in there. It's cozy.
Yes, super cozy. It does have 4 slide outs, and it opens up pretty big. I always joke that I always do all the setup on the outside when we're moving. And when I come back in, she's got everything set up on the inside. And I left it when it was all closed up. So you know how small they are. And then I come back and it's like this big house again.
He's like,
so
wow,
I love it. I was like, oh man, I really like this place.
It is so nice.
So it's pretty fun. We really enjoy it.
It's really interesting what a lot of space becomes when you live in an RV.
From a kitchen standpoint, it does have the residential fridge that she loves. It does not have a dishwasher. Mainly I'm the dishwasher.
Yeah.
So that's not a problem.
My driver and my dishwasher.
Yeah, so it's not a problem. And it pretty much, I tell you, it just, space-wise, it has everything we need.
Yeah, outside, like you said, the motor, the length, it looks good. I mean,
yeah, we love it.
He looks pretty sharp, and on the inside, it's pretty comfortable. Plenty for us.
Yeah.
So that's our Winston. We love him on the outside and the inside.
Yeah, the Winston is ours, the 2018 Tiffin Allegro Red 37 PA.
That's a mouthful.
It is a mouthful.
But he's ours. We love it.
And so that's why we chose Winston, and it suits us perfectly.
Yep.
And so we're looking forward to, after we get off of this, we're looking forward to watching their videos, our collaboration, and seeing why they chose the RV they chose. Because everybody has different reasons, so I'm excited to see that.
Yeah, we're totally excited to see, because I think there's all different kinds. We know all of them except for one couple, but everybody has all the different reasons.
And so we're excited to see what they chose and why they chose it. And we don't know everyone personally on this collaboration, so we're looking forward to getting to know who they are. Yeah.
I think we've only actually been in Lawrence and Natalie's RV. We know what the others have because we've watched them.
Yeah, we spent some time with them.
Yeah, but we haven't been in anybody else's.
No.
I mean...
No, so we're going to figure this out with you at the same time. So you get over their channels.
After
check
you
them
watch
out.
This one.
Yeah, watch this one. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And get over there and watch those other videos. And let's see what we can learn about these new folks.
See what they like.
Yeah. See why they like what they like.
All right, everybody. So until next time, seatbelts on?
Hey, seatbelts on.